Hey there, folks. I'm Joe Crawford of artlearn.com. This is a follow-up video, what I call a retro CSS battle, even though the day has not ended. But I wanted to revisit this one from February 2026, as I think I have a way to do it with one background without this linear gradient. So the solution that I came up with is this conic gradient that's super specific. But I think rather than use the different things that I did by changing the background size, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to set this as the background. And then I'm going to change this variable to a variable var dash dash s. And then this just becomes dash dash s. And that works. But I think I can do something kind of interesting by changing the at value into a variable as well. So let's say this at becomes var a, and then let's make that a 0, 0. And that's not working. Var dash dash a. So we've got 100%, 50%. So that's all the way over. And probably I only need that and have it still work. Okay. What if I do 50%, 50%? There we go. So now I'm getting something that I want. So one thing I could do is make this what, a repeating conic gradient? Or it's really about the size, huh? Yeah, maybe it's the size. So the size needs to be auto. So I don't need the S. S size is, so that's how you get that. But what if we add another color stop? Okay, 100 degrees, and then another. So and then we're going to go transparent, and then we're going to get this green color again. So I've got this weird. How about 200? Okay, so I want to add 180 to it, don't I? I think I do. So that means that I'm going 180 plus 74 to 254, and then I'm not sure that's true. Not sure that's true at all. Not transparent. And if I move that center to the middle one, there, that's what I'm getting at. I know this looks like a mess right now, but trust me. Okay, so if I adjust these numbers, so I started from 233 degrees, we have that opening color. We have this two. There we go. This is what I'm getting at. 6, 7. Okay, and then this number needs to be less. 2, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay. I'm just making up the numbers. 50, 54. Yeah, there it is. So I think that's what I'm trying to get at. And then when I move so the at position, and if I then move it, what, to minus 50%, 60, 70, then I kind of get it. All right. So then let's adjust these numbers. 5, 4, 3, 2. That's worse. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 180. And then let's move this over more. Move this over more. 8, 9, 100. Let's submit that. I'm hoping that'll be 100%, and then this makes this for a slightly quicker video. 99.9%. So it's so close. But you see so we can have that same gradient serve for all of them, but with different sizes or with different originating location. Oh, it's close. It's so close. Does this number need to be go up? 5, 3, 4, 5. Let's try that. Sort of, that might be 100%. Let's find out. It is. All right, so I did it. Let's minify and unit replace again. Can I do an ampersand here? I cannot. Um, I think that's it. I like that. I like that. I like that solution a lot. It's the same gradient with a different originating location and a different uh, background size. That's the operative thing. Probably there are other ways to tune it. I'm just not thinking of them right now. But this is a pretty good solution. And actually, well, actually, if I don't, maybe I don't need to bother with the size, actually. Do I? So let's remove size and make that at value be 100%. Does that work? No, that doesn't work. How about 50%? No, we've still got the same background size problem. Oh, I see. So what if I don't default the background size? So I keep changing the size. Do I need both? I'm not sure I need both. All right, so let's unminify again. Let's get a hold of ourselves here. Ah, okay. To get it to repeat for the first one, I absolutely need background size. That's the only way to do it. But otherwise, it works perfectly well, which means I think that I need that what I need then is a selector for the first one only and say background size 100%, 50%. And that maybe is a little more efficient. And then I don't have to bother with this background size here or that. Is that right? So C is doing nothing? I don't like that. I like that a lot. So A is then the weird case. So submit final answer, I think. Yeah. All right. So then we're done. Thanks for following along. If you followed along with this bonus retro CSS battle, because that's a fun one. So all the same background, and it's this conic gradient that's going in both directions, and based on where I put it, it'll cover what I want it to cover. And that's just one solution for this problem. And then a commenter mentioned that you could do these cutout parts with clip path, something I totally spaced on, but yes, I have done that kind of technique where basically you're creating if you do like for example, a star, you can create that the middle part be empty if the points cross over each other, almost like you're cutting out paper, right? Like kind of a neat idea. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this. Take care of yourselves, take care of each other, and go make a web page. Bye.